brought both Pranalini together with Candy Crush, and I'm going to ask Pranalini to say a few words.
Hi everyone, I'm very happy to be here. I'm so happy that all of you took out time and be here. This collection is very close to my heart. It's something that I have created, which is also little work, it's more fun because it's a game that I have to play by. And I used to play it a lot, and now I have my entire family to do this. And making jewelry with this was really, it came very naturally. I love doing a lot of enameling and different Indian art craft techniques. So this fits right in, and I'm very thankful to Dream Theatre for making it happen. And it's a great opportunity for an indigenous label like mine. We work very closely with craft, and this has been a great turning point for us because we've tried to incorporate something like 3D printing, which is a very modern, sort of a technique that has come into the market, and we try to complement our jewelry with 3D printing. So it's something that's been very exciting for us. It's something we never did, and we've been able to achieve very nice quality and combined with art craft, which is something that is very important. So I'm very thrilled that we are launching this line today, and it happens to be Candy Crush's first jewelry collaboration, and I cannot be more thankful that I'm getting the chance to make this. The jewelry is done in many different stories. We've done this is the breath line that we're launching today, and a lot of high-end and more crazy things are coming up here. And what I'm happiest about that this is just the beginning for us because it's a 2-year collaboration, and there's a lot more that we can do. Today we're going to be marking the beginning of hopefully a wonderful journey with Candy Crush and
I always say that there are 3 things in life which is inevitable, right? One is taxes, second is death, and the third is that a great chance that every one of us in this room has got an invitation for Candy Crush. And we as Dream Theatre represent a whole bunch of iconic brands, but we are so proud to represent Candy Crush because firstly, as a digital property in a 5-year period, it's reached about 30 billion number of downloads, which is completely insane and massive. But beyond just the numbers, if you look at India, it looks through a wide spectrum of audience who are big fans of Candy Crush. The youth love it, but also, I mean, it cuts across demographic, it cuts across gender, and that for us is massively powerful. Now to Mrinalini, I mean, there are a lot of people who are designers, influencers, they live in that space, but I don't think they're authentic. I mean, even if I say it, she's a true, authentic, she and I must say the family, is a real, true, authentic fans of Candy Crush. That makes a big difference in how the creation of a product happens. One thing is to say, I see a lot of designers do a bunch of collaborations, but I don't think they really prove these collaborations, even if I say so. But in the case of Mrinalini, the passion and the affection she has for the brand translates into creating a product which is so beautiful. The second thing is, I must say that being one of the foremost artists in Asia and what she does, her work even before this Candy Crush collaboration reeks a lot of Candy Crush, right? So the enamel work and the fact for the people at Kingback, their mandate was let's fight hard, and I really appreciate that you're all here for making it, and also congratulations on this launch.
Thank you, Jimmy. Thanks, Pranalini. We have a small video message to play for you from Joanne Lewis and head at King from the UK. But before we play that message, just want to let the members of the media know that we're expecting Isha Gupta.
रही है।
करेक्ट।
तो आप बताइए कि हमने देखा सारी स्टोरी को आप बहुत ध्यान से देखी, तो आप बताइए कैसी लगी आपको चीज़?
अरे पहली बार जब मृणाल ने मुझे फ़ोन किया और बोला कि ऐसा ऐसा कुछ हम कर रहे हैं कैंडी क्रश सागा के साथ, मैंने सोचा कि ऐसे कैसे, मतलब कोई कैंडी क्रश ज्वेलरी में कैसे बदल सकता है। बट आई थिंक शी इज़ डन अ फैब जॉब। ज्वेलरी से ज़्यादा मुझे तो खाने का मन कर रहा था, क्योंकि बहुत ऐसे डिलिशियस देखने में है, बहुत कलरफुल है। ये एक्चुअली मैं जो पहनी हूँ वो थोड़ा कम कलरफुल है, फिर भी बहुत सुंदर है। हाँ हाँ, कैंडी क्रश ही है। तो and everything is very like pop and colorful and really pretty and very beautifully. The animal work is really very unique, you know, and it's so nice that an Indian designer can collaborate with an American company, and such a big collaboration. You know, Candy Crush is huge worldwide, and still create something which is unique to not only the game Candy Crush, but also very Indian, you know, and it's also not completely Indian. You can wear it with Indian outfits or Western outfits like this. So it's really unique and quite beautiful. I'm quite surprised that a kind of collaboration, somebody so young has been able to do you know such good work. So it's very inspiring.
आपके हाथों में भी मतलब वो वाओ, किसी को मारने के लिए काम
आओ इधर आओ।
आपके, और आपके अटायर बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल हमें लग रहा है।
Thank you.
you.
I'm wearing Archana Rao. Again, she's also quite young, and this is the first time I'm collaborating with her. I've been styled by Shrija Rajgopal as always. So yeah.
और कितना एंजॉय करने वाले आज की शाम, आज की
देखते हैं, मुझे थोड़ी सी भूख लग रही है, मैं जाके खाऊंगी कुछ। बट या इट्स रियली नाइस, एंड ऑलिव में कभी अंदर ऐसे इवेंट नहीं हुआ है, हमेशा हम बाहर खड़े होते हैं। And it's really although it's like an evening event, it feels like an afternoon brunch sort of event. Everything is lit up and everything is like happy and pop. So yeah, I'm quite excited actually. Yeah, thank you.
पहले कहना चाहूँगी, पता है जैसे हमेशा बोलते हैं ना, जब आपका अपना होता है आपको सब अच्छा लगता है। लकीली मृणालिनी के केस में वो नहीं है। माना मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, मगर तब भी उसकी ज्वेलरी अगर आप देखोगे बहुत अलग बनाई है। कैंडी क्रश सागा उससे इंस्पायर्ड है, तो सब लाइक जैसे मेरी रिंग, चोकर, शुगर लिखा हुआ, ये सब लाइक उसने वैसे किया है जैसे यू नो कैंडी क्रश का होता है, तो मृणालिनी ने पूरा वैसे किया है। एंड इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, इट्स डेलिकेट, इट्स गर्ली, इट्स फेमिनिन, एंड यू नो आई डोंट थिंक कोई भी ऐसा काम कर सकता है जो मृणालिनी करते हैं।
आप बताइए कि ये कैसा है, ये आइडिया कैसे आया कि इस तरह की ज्वेलरी बनाना और क्रिएट करना?
जिन लोगों ने ये गेम बनाया उन्होंने मुझे अप्रोच किया और उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा कि क्या आप इस पे काम करना चाहेंगे, और ये इतना अच्छा गेम है कि इसे कोई कैसे मना कर सकता है। तो मैंने कर लिया।
गेम भी एडिक्शन है और ज्वेलरी भी एडिक्शन होने वाली है।
एक ऐसा भी टाइम आएगा जब हम कैंडी क्रश ज्वेलरी भी देखने वाले हैं।
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
चलिए आपके अटायर के बारे में थोड़ा बताइए, वो वेरी वेरी नाइट, जो कि बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लग
What am I wearing tonight, Riyan Muradian? रियान मुरादियन, what am I wearing tonight? ये मेरी स्टाइल में सबको लेके, मेरे सब दोस्त ऐसे रियान मुरादियन, H&M I'm wearing and मृणालिनी of course, what है?
See a lot of actresses get into clothes, like designing clothes, or in entrepreneurship, jewelry. Will we see you partnering with any jewelry brand or
Yes,
Well, very soon you'll hear some announcement next year that I'm getting into, but next year I think by Jan we'll announce something.
I should also want to ask, you always brave the trolls.
Yeah.
Like you come up with new pictures. It's like revenge to them, or is this a
No, I
a statement?
Yeah, see, I don't think I'll say revenge because I don't think any of them are so important for me to give them importance to take revenge. But I think, I have the confidence, I have the body, I have everything, and you know, by God's grace, you know, you guys have supported. So why not just go for it? Trollers are just those 5% that 95% love me, so I think I'm glad.
But you know, the trolls now have taken the shape of death threats. Death threats to an actress who's considered one of the top stars of Bollywood.
Let's talk about Mrinalini now. I'm not going to talk about something else. But all I'll say is, I tweeted also about that in India, right now, like no one's speaking about हम ये बैन कर देंगे, वो बैन कर देंगे when rape is happening. But a film is given so much mileage, and because even these people, they know that they will get mileage out of a film, and not because of some rape that happened, because they don't think rape is that important. So I think, yeah, they should focus on actual social issues.
Do you think that actresses are at risk, or filmmakers or artists in general are at risk right now when people are getting offended by anything?
People, I think, are now getting offended by everything. Yeah, what you're wearing, what you're eating, what you're not eating. They are who you're sleeping, who you're not sleeping with. I think they have issues because they don't have anything better to do in their own life. So.
अभी बादशाह हो, हम आप पे धमाका देखते हैं, क्या करते हो देखने, अगर आपको बता सकते थोड़ा बहुत।
नहीं, अभी नहीं बता सकते।
सरप्राइज है।
रोमांटिक होगा, आप बताइए।
आप लिख दो, स्क्रिप्ट बता दूंगी मैं फिर। अच्छा, डन।
आप रोमांटिक में बहुत ब्यूटीफुल लगते हैं, जो आप बताएं, ऐसा कुछ आप देखेंगे, आप रोमांस करते हो?
नहीं, जो नेक्स्ट फिल्म है वो रोमांटिक है नहीं, मगर जो मेरा रोल है नहीं।
Oh, this
Very
party is
different.
getting hotter by the minute. Want to welcome Miss Isha
Chaliye.
Gupta. We've also got Shine and Roshan
Okay.
Abbas in the house.
Thank you.
And ex-MPV VJ Ramona. It's all happening at the Candy Crush by Mrinalini Chandra party.